Hello there. As you might have noticed, I did recently a review of the WriteAppReviews. I bought a product and I wasn't satisfied with it. So, since it is a ClickBank product, I decided to get a refund. Now let me show you in this video how to get a refund from a ClickBank. You can simply go to the ClickBank website, clickbank.com, and at the top right corner you see this button saying Find My Order. In case you don't know your order, the number of the order, you can go to your Gmail account or your email account that you have used while buying the product and check for the specific product in your search bar, WriteAppReviews. Down here, it's supposed to be one of the first emails that contains the keyword WriteAppReviews. But still, even if you don't know your order, you can still go to the Find My Order. You are redirected to a specific website called clickbank.com. So not a ClickBank, but a clickbank.com. And over here, you can just write your email that you have been using and just click on the Look Up My Order. You are asked to enter one of the three following fields. It's either the order number or the last digit of your card that you used for a purchase, or just the zip code affiliated with the card. Look up my order and you have received a verification code to your email address. So let's check for the verification code. The verification code, copy the verification code, paste it over here, submit verification code. And here is the order. WriteAppReviews, I paid €3.02. And over here, you can access the product, you can create a support ticket or request refund. So let's click on a request refund. What's the problem? I was not satisfied with the product. Product was not compatible. I wasn't able to get, product did not meet my expectations. That's right. These additional comments, these are optional, but I did write some additional comments as well, and we can send it to seller. Your refund request has been received. We are currently processing your request and will send a confirmation email once the refund has been completed. Looks like that's it. Let's check our email. Did we get any message? ClickBank notifications. ClickBank support update. So that's it. In my experience, I should get the refund within 24 to 48 hours. In case you have some issues with the refund, you can always get in touch with them either with the email or telephone number. But usually it's very easy to get a refund from ClickBank. Hopefully you find this video helpful. If you have questions, let me know, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.